Hello everybody, my name is Katya. Welcome to my channel. December is one of the most beautiful times of the year, and I'm super happy to spend it in Brasov. A couple of days ago we had the first snow. Have been waiting for it since November. And first carol singers. This year we bought a beautiful real tree for Christmas. We decorated it with last year's toys, got some new ones, and as usually I decided to make a bunch of new decorations by myself. I found 4 small bottles with cute corks. I will fill them with forest pieces. Also bought some wooden sticks. We'll draw snowflakes and runes on them. First, we will have a walk through the city where I live now, and we'll collect small cute things for the bottles. My pockets were full of berries, cones, pieces of branches, pine needles, and other stuff. I tried them all in the oven as soon as I came home. Just look at these beauties. Let's start with the wooden sticks. Decided to draw snowflakes on one side of them and some runes on the other. I picked the most suitable runes for a happy and a rich year. Let's move on to the bottles. In each of the bottle, I put beautiful combinations of bits of the nature. In this bottle I introduced a chamomile that I collected in summer and a rose hip from the autumn. It turned out to be my favorite bottle. I also bought an even smaller one and will make a necklace out of it. For the necklace I choose a small piece of fern. Adore the final result. In the end, I had the rune Yera, the rune of the year and of the harvesting. Feho, for the wealth, much love, fire and emotional stability. Dagas, a very light rune, it's a good protection and transformation. Birkana, a women's rune, one of my favorite. Sol, rune of the victory, creation and enthusiasm. Algis, a very strong protection, it also appears a lot on each of the snowflake. And finally, Odal, the house, family and coziness. Bottles are my eternal love. They are so delicate and cute. It's a perfect Christmas decoration.